8,500.
Final.
Final.
Alright. So, Air Force One is... What's poppin', everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Dani, and if you love sneakers and streetwear, then this channel is for you, so make sure to subscribe. So for today's video, we are here in Sneaker Club ABREEZA here in Davao, and I am here with my friend Darlene.
Hi guys, I'm Darlene. You can call me Dada, and I'm back.
If you guys seen my latest video where I had them react to 2021 hype sneakers, and I also made them guess the resale prices. Well, for today's video, I will give her a chance to win naman. Kasi last time, si Marga ang nanalo. So, bali, ang gagawin namin, papasok kami sa sneaker club. And then, I will let her guess the price of the sneakers. And if kung makatama siya sa price, bibilhin ko para sa kanya. Alright, so...
Sorry, Marg. You lose this time.
So, let's start with this video. Alright guys, so we are now here inside Sneaker Club. So bali, ang gagawin namin para sa challenge na to is ipapaguess ko si Darlene nung SRP prices of these sneakers inside Sneaker Club. Bali, ang price range ni Darlene is SRP plus 500 pesos up or 500 pesos down. Tapos kung makatama siya, I will buy the sneakers for her.
Sana makatama ako. Kaya ko to.
Alright, so bali, ang mangyayari is kung makatama siya ng 1 or 2 pairs, pipili siya ng isang pair lang na bibilin ko para sa kanya. Kasi alam nyo na, ipon-ipon muna tayo ngayon guys. So, let's start with this challenge. Alright, so our first sneaker is the Nike Blazer. How much sa tingin mo ang itong Nike Blazer?
Sikat ba to?
OG yan.
Let's just say, kung sikat siya, tapos maganda yung quality niya, feeling ko maraming bibili nito kasi
Yeah, ganda niya.
white and green yung niya. So maybe around, ano ba kamahal? 7-8?
Oh, okay. So, that's your final guess?
Final guess.
Okay. Bale, ang ano ng Blazers is 5,895 pesos. Ano masasabi mo?
Feeling ko kasi ang mahal.
Alright, so this is our first sneaker. Now let's go to the second sneaker. Alright, so our second shoe is the Air Max Worldwide. How much sa tingin mo ang sneaker na yan?
May worldwide siya dito ba yun? Feeling ko, since worldwide siya, mahal siya. Kasi yun yung natutunan ko kay Marga dati. Diba? So, siguro, I'll stick to 8,000.
8,000 pesos. Is that your final answer?
Final answer. Thank you.
Bale, ang ano ng price nito is 9,295 pesos. So, bale kung 500 ang range, hindi mo nakuha. Pero almost. What can you say?
Sayang, mahal pala niya.
Yeah, maganda to na sneaker. It's really nice. If you guys want a pair, you can check out Sneaker Club.
Yes.
Alright, now let's go to our third sneaker. Alright, so we have our third sneaker, the Nike Atsuma.
Ganda ba?
Ganda, no?
Okay, I want this. I must have this.
Okay, so guess the price para makuha mo siya.
Help me. Presyo. 3,500 pesos.
3,500 pesos.
Please be 3,500.
Alright. Let's see.
Bruh.
The correct price for the Nike Atsuma is 3,695 pesos. Nice. Alright, so this will be one of your sneakers. Kung sakali makatama ka pa mamaya, nabilin ko para sa'yo. Alright.
Thank you so much.
Alright, so now let's go to the fourth sneaker. Alright, ano ang next sneaker? Hanap tayo nung kinda mahirap kasi nakatama na si Darlene ng isa. So, let's go with this Air Force 1. Alright, let's go! Ready ka na sa fourth sneaker mo?
Pag ba natama ko lahat, bibigyan mo lahat para sa
Hindi, pipili ka lang ng isa. So now, our fourth sneaker is the Air Force 1. Ganda nito. Alright.
Si Marga ata ang matutuwa nito. Kasi
Yes, it's really nice.
like, if you have seen her previous video before,
Yes.
hindi kasi ako mahilig sa,
Link up in the cards.
sa white shoes. So, I don't own any pair of all white shoes. So, if matatama ko to, thank you so much, Nek. Sponsor ka na
Kung
aking,
makatama ka.
sponsor ka na aking first all white shoes. So, ang presyo nito, feeling ko ay, mahal ba to?
Bakit ka na humingi ng clue?
Ah, sige.
No clue.
Kung mahal, so nasa mga ganun din, 9,000.
Oh, bakit mo? Final answer mo yun?
8,500.
8,500.
8,500.
Alright, final.
Ah, final.
Alright. So, ang Air Force
Tama.
1 is 4,795 pesos.
Baguhin natin.
Double pala yung...
If taga-spin, double the price.
Okay, so mali po si Darlene. So, fourth sneaker natin. Now, let's go to our last and final sneaker. Let's go. Alright, let's get Darlene's last sneaker. Ay, maganda to. Alright. Let's go. Alright, so for our last and final sneaker for today, we have
Jordan Air Cadence.
Pwede bigyan mo ng heart yung mata mo.
Sige, lagyan natin ng heart. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright.
Okay.
So,
Gusto ko to.
kaysa sa kanina na tama
Kaya
mo.
dapat mas matatama ko.
Okay. Sa tingin mo, how much ang price niya?
It's a Jordan, guys.
Yeah. Ganda no? Ganda ng colorway niya.
I love it. Sobrang gusto ko siya. So, I'm thinking 5,500 pesos.
Oh, are you sure?
I'm not
Is that your final answer?
But yeah, sige. It's my final answer. Sana tama.
Alright. Okay, guys. Ayun na ibigay sa Alright. So, the right price for this is 5,800.
Bruh.
Nagulat ako sa'yo. So, nakatama siya, guys. Bali, you have two sneakers to choose from. Bali, this one and the Atsuma Nikes.
Thank you so much.
So, you need to choose one sneaker.
I will gladly receive both sneakers. Thank you so much, streetbydani, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe to her channel. For me, it's gonna be this one, Air Jordan.
Good choice. Good choice. Alright?
So much.
Narinig ko rin pala na that shoe is buy one take one today.
Sabi ko na, iuwi ko itong dalawa.
Bali, you have to choose one more sneaker na nasa buy one take one pile nila.
Hindi
So-
pa ito buy one take one?
No, I'm sorry, pero
This is regular price.
yes.
Okay.
So you can choose one more sneaker dahil buy one take one. Sneaker Club has a sale from May 19 to June 15. So please check them out here at ABREEZA Mall here in Davao.
Buy one, take one.
Okay guys, so ngayon pipili na si Darlene kung anong yung second pair niya. So let's go.
Dapat daw may yellow tag. Pag walang yellow tag, hindi siya buy one, take one.
Okay, got it.
So, eto, pag naka-orange tag daw guys, it's at 40 off. So, hindi pwede sa atin yan. We are looking for the mahiwagang yellow tag. Ito.
Nice!
Diba? This is the... Hindi ko alam po. I think ito alam ko. Ito yung recyclable.
Yes, correct. Galing mo, Darlene. So, ano ang kukunin mong pair? I like this one.
Better. And this one is only
4,595 pesos.
okay. So if magpa-buy one take one ba kayo guys, you only have to pay for the higher price which is
5,895.
so yan po ang babayaran ni Streetbydani. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Darlene.
So I think
Have
found it or it's only 1,600 baka naman. Streetbydani.
Air Max.
Hindi masyadong halata na may ako sa blue.
Hindi nga mahalata.
Buy one take one.
Oh my gosh,
Si
no!
Worldwide na 9,000.
Yeah!
Guys, you should cop this. It's just not my style. Pero, buy one, take one, guys, oh. So, 8,000 lang.
That one's really nice.
Buy one, take one din siya, guys. Anyways, I think, dahil mabait akong kaibigan, we're gonna go with this 4,500.
That's
Oh,
really
yeah.
nice. Okay, so show them the pairs that you'll get.
Thank you, Streetbydani.
Ganda ng shoe ko. Nice one ba?
Huh?
Good choice.
Thank you so much, Streetbydani.
And that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos like this, please comment below. And if you haven't followed me on my socials, please follow me at streetbydani on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this video below. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post another video. See you then. Dani out.